Good afternoon. Welcome by Rietveld. What's the damage cost of this damage? What do you think? Can just take some time. I would like to explain who's Rietveld. Well, we started in 1994 with our products for vehicle management systems. Our focus is on SMEs and governments with our easy management and easy safety products. We are ISO certified by ISO 9001, 72001 soon, and 14001. We have the complete scope in our own house, so we will deliver hardware, software installed at the customers through the whole Netherlands, and we have our own R&D and project management teams. The industries of our focus is the transport logistics, the big construction machines, government, municipalities, security emergency services, and as you can see, we have solutions for all different kinds of vehicles. Normally we say everything what is on wheels. We do have solutions for safety or management or a combination. Our management solutions, we have our main product, the board computer, like I explained this morning. We have the Efficio, this is the base. We install this in our at our customers' fleet. We can do some add-ons with the software like Easy Drive, Easy Hours, Easy Track, Easy Tacho, and Easy Asset. All this combines complete package of your fleet management system. Vehicle safety solutions. Here we have it's more focused on the hardware. For this we have Easy View, camera systems, video telematics, Easy Lights. We are the importer of Nordic Lights. It's work lights is the main product. Easy Alarms, reversing alarms or spoken alarms. Easy Climate and Easy Detect. So we can do detection of persons around vehicles or vehicles between vehicles detection, or just a simple reversing detection for a truck or a personal car. Well, what is the damage cost? What do you think? 10K? Well, we all think about the damage cost of the cost of the van, but there are many more costs around one damage. For example, the replacement transport. How long do you need another van? The material cost. We also have the personal costs for maybe someone is injured. Material costs for the other parties. The motivation of the employee. How is it managed in your company if someone has an accident? What is the culture in your company how to deal with it? And the insurance premium, residual value, this all will be additional cost for just one impact. We have a solution for this. This is video telematics. I would like to explain this according this drawing. We connect hardware to the CAN bus of the vehicle in combination with cameras. So 1 to 8 cameras we can add to the device. It all will be sent to MVDR, mobile recorder, and this will be sent to the cloud. In the cloud, we will add some data from here and Google, so we know what is happening on the road at that moment. For example, When a van is driving through Amsterdam, we know what kind of road he's using, how busy it is on the road, the average speed, the weather conditions, all this kind of information we can get from the internet. And we get the information from the van or truck from the campus. For example, is he using his mirror, his turn indicators, or is he wearing a seatbelt? Is he braking or using the horn, etc. So it all will be sent to our online platform, and in our online platform we can do multiple things. We can send one set of information to the insurance company if something happened. We can set up a training. We can export it to another third party who can do other things with the data. So this is how it looked like. This is, for example, in Amsterdam. On the 3rd of November, this was a van that's driving 63 instead of 50. And you can see it will be turn more red the faster he's going. This is the footage you can download from the platform in combination with the route he has driven. So, for example, normally with telematics, if you are braking at a harsh brake, your boss will say, why you're braking, what is happening? And you have two stories. I say, it was because there was a child crossing the road. And he says, I don't see anything, so you don't have to brake so hard. So the combination with camera system, then it's a complete story. So you don't have any discussion left. If I go more to the right, here you have the driver score, driving style league table. So you can do all your vans in one table with the score for each van. So acceleration, braking, cornering, and speeding. The higher the score, the better driver you have. So you can do it like a game, weekly league table, for example. So what will it bring your company? I made a business case to explain the investment you have to do and what it will bring you. We have a customer with 150 vans in a depot, a total of 1,600 vans, supermarket, home delivery. I looked at the figures of the Netherlands. At the moment, average damage cost, just the hardware of the van or truck, is more than 2,100 euros. We did the first measurement, baseline measurement, at the pilot depot. They have dubious claims, so claims which you cannot explain. The van is coming back to the depot and there is some damage at the van, or someone in Amsterdam is calling, your van has hit my car, I'm missing my mirror. This kind of claims which you cannot explain, or you just have to pay. Depot was 38% of the total cost. Cost per claim was 60% above the average of this customer. And the average cost was 68% above. The cost per vehicle was 68% above average cost. So this was the baseline. After 1 year, of course, there were no dubious claims anymore because we have all the data in the cloud. The cost per claim was 60% below the average cost, and we had the cost per vehicle was 84% below the average. So the total cost per vehicle went down with 91%. And just because the driver has a screen in the van, so they can see all around the van. If they're turning right, they can see the right camera. Turning left, you can see the left camera, and reverse camera. So they have a full view around the van. And in combination with the right training and all the information what we have, we can do a lot of savings. So the calculation, I calculated with one dubious claim. It's around 1,000 euros per year. So the mirror from a customer or some fence what was hit by your company, this will cost around 1,000 euros per year. Average cost, we have 2 times damage per year, more than 2,000 euros per damage. And we use the van for 5 years. Then we have a total cost of 26,000 euros over 5 years. If you do the investment of our system, so with 4 cameras, a screen in the van, and the MVDR connected to the cloud with our online platform and all the data stream included, is around 4,200 euros over 5 years. So that you don't have any dubious claims anymore. We have the 91% saving. In total, you save 20,000 euros in 5 years. So we can say with our system, you will earn it back in 1.5 year. So video telematics, it's smart prevention. It's about decision making based on knowledge. And we think this will be the future because it will all be more expensive to, the damage cost will be higher and higher. It's almost impossible to get insurance for your van. And with this system in combination with your management decisions, it's possible to earn your money and to get your van or truck on the road insured and in an efficient way. That's it. Any questions? No questions? Yeah.
Yes, thank you. How will this impact the performance of the driver, knowing they've been recorded throughout the whole day? Have you done any research about that?
Yeah, thank you. Good question. We do have some customers also in the Netherlands with bigger fleets. At the first stage, we thought it will be complex to help them with recording video footage during their job. But at the end, we measured, and more than 90% of the drivers would only drive with a van, including the recording system, because they have the feeling they are secured on the road. There are also some problems with aggression drivers. This is also prevented in this way. So it's also a combination in how you introduce it in your company. And like I say, they like the system, because they can see much more. So it's more easy to do your job.
You don't have any troubles with the GDPR? You're tracked everywhere.
Good question about GDPR. Our system is compliant. We have watermark over the video footage. The video footage has been saved online for 7 days. We have a blurring function. We have a logbook who is doing what. Many more like this technology we have implemented. And we say you can use it like it is. I have a question about, is it just for vans or also for trucks? It's both. It's just 12, 24 volts, so you can use of almost every vehicle. Most of our customers are in the van market because they have the highest damage range. But this for trucks, it's also very interesting.
So can the drivers see that as well? Like, can the drivers see the output as well, like the one you showed before? Or is it only for the management, basically?
I've got a question about the output. You mean the output of the video, or just the...
The numbers you showed before, like where it goes and how fast it goes, the car and everything.
Normally, the figures of the platform is only for the management, so they can evaluate the route. For example, normally when something happened, they can find in the figures they can find it back, and they can see he was speeding and he was cornering very fast. But most of the companies, they do it with in combination with the driver to show them what's happening. Okay, thank you for your attention.